Hello, how are you, brother?
Man, I'm doing great. It's been a long time. 3 years.
Yeah.
The world changed
Are
really
you?
fast.
Yes. You're right. Are you okay? Are you fine?
Yeah, I'm okay. We're just in the USA. It's been hard. it's
Okay.
it's like
Do
Africa.
you?
It's Marcus Garvey works better in Africa. You see in Burkina Faso, in Mali, and they're copying
Yeah.
Marcus Garvey. Even Ethiopia, the Federation.
Yeah. Yeah.
Everybody has their self determination, and the community has some independence. But that's just like Marcus Garvey wanted. So in USA, it's harder.
Yeah.
It's harder because people don't.
Yeah.
But you see what's going on in the Western Sahel. You see Sudan and Eritrea and Somalia. All the USA is talking about everybody in the Sahel now. Nigeria, they want to do our security for us. And they're talking about
Mhm.
they're trying to get Somalia, trying to get they're trying to ban everyone from coming because
Mhm.
they're seeing everybody coming together.
Yeah.
Yeah, now there's a Sudan Eritrea Federation. Basically, they're working together. So
Oh.
they've been working together
Oh.
for 2 years, actually, at least.
Yeah. There's. Yeah. Also, there's a war in Sudan.
Yeah, he visited, but that goes back to 2023. They've been visiting each other.
Oh.
Yeah,
Oh. And there is some conflict also between Ethiopia and Eritrea.
yeah,
Something like that. They are going to war. Then something like tensions,
yeah,
not actually war, but tension.
yeah. I think
And that's
in 2020 it was Somalia, Eritrea, and Ethiopia came together for the tripartite agreement.
yeah. When
20,
when do you say?
2020. That was before the
Yeah,
that was,
yeah,
that was before the Mali coup. So they had
yeah.
they called it the Cushitic Alliance. But then
Okay,
yeah, they called it
Christianic Alliance.
Cushitic Alliance because of
Okay, Kushi.
yeah, but
Oh,
now some people don't like that name and now they're fighting, I guess. I don't know. Tension.
yeah,
But that
yeah.
yeah.
Ethiopian government has been changed, and the transition government have good relation with Eritrean at the first. Then it changes, things changes, and they are going to their own conflict
Yeah.
by the port of Asab, as you know.
Yeah,
And there is some tension now between Ethiopia and Eritrea,
over the Red
not a
Sea.
war, but
The Red Sea.
yeah, on the port of Asab.
But
And there is some tensions, not good. I live in Ethiopia, and the news and everything is not good about Eritrea. I think they're accusing them for the non-peace situation on this territory, and also the dam, the Ethiopian Renaissance Dam, also, and the Egyptian. There's something, some political things like some tensions.
what is
And
Eritrea? What is their population size? 'Cause I know Sudan was 50 million.
I'm not sure, but around 5 million.
Maybe yes. So
Yeah, there was one state in Ethiopia.
yeah, it was a
Do you know that?
federation. Yeah, it was a federation
Yeah,
before, and then they
yeah,
split.
and they are almost they are the same like Ethiopians. Do you know Tigray state?
Tigray.
Tigray region.
Yeah, same ethnic groups. I know
Yes, same ethnic groups.
I know Somalia and part of Ethiopia's ethnic group.
Yeah,
Then
yeah, the same.
Sudan and Ethiopia,
Sudan is
Beja,
yeah,
Beja, and some
yeah,
Omo Valley.
yes,
So
yeah. You're right.
it's like I don't know. Do you have WhatsApp?
Yeah, I have WhatsApp,
Maybe
but
I don't know.
but no, not on this number. I can give you that number,
Yeah,
and we can call each other. And I have this vision on working to unite Africa, and I work on the tech business. So
you work on
I
which
want
business?
technology business.
Technology. Okay. Yeah.
And I want to work with my brothers in Africa to make Africans powerful and united.
Yeah, we need to. It's now because what happened is because Ethiopia's a federation, and then
Yeah.
we were trying to get African Americans and Nigerians to work together, but they didn't.
Yeah.
Then we had some security ideas in Nigeria, like the Black Panthers, but then
Okay.
but it was only confined to a few tribes in Nigeria instead of everybody. So now you see Mali and Mali and Burkina Faso, Nigeria's neighbors, they created their own, security and United States of Africa movement. But we've
Yeah.
been trying to get Nigeria to lead it for the longest time, and
Uh-huh.
international politics, sabotage.
Okay.
But now we have
Okay.
four federations. We have Nigeria, we have the Sahel Alliance, we have
Okay.
Ethiopia, we have the East African Confederation. Uh,
Yeah.
that's not they're not as good. But with Ethiopia, if we could get you, we need to talk more. If we have more people in Ethiopia, and we could start to get people to
Yeah.
travel. Yeah,
Do you know earlier I was working with UNIC. Do you know that peoples? Do you UNIC?
the UNIC. No.
Universal Negro Improvement.
Okay. Universal. Yeah, UNIA. Yeah.
UNIA.
Yes.
Yeah. And I contact some people there in America.
Okay.
And now I can't contact them.
You don't
And I
reach
don't
them.
know.
You
Yeah.
lost contact.
What?
You don't talk too much anymore.
Yeah, I try to, but they are not answering me.
Okay. Which city? Which
Uh,
city was it?
I don't know the city,
Okay.
and
Okay.
just we talk, and they they tell me to join them, and I join them. I work with them for a short time.
Okay.
Then there is
Okay.
no contact.
Because
And
what happens? The UNIA is what you would call a constitutional monarchy. So it was the African Americans and Caribbean. They were coming together to work with Africa and come back to their roots.
yeah,
And then
yeah,
they wanted it didn't work out. They wanted to work with Haile Selassie and other kings, but it didn't work out.
yeah,
It didn't work out. So, but
yeah,
yeah,
yeah.
but
That thing is
yeah,
also the issue with them.
the
We can't
culture.
agree with that things. Do you know in Ethiopia,
Mhm.
just there is a cultural difference, and we have to approach with the same culture that we have here.
Mhm.
So that do not fit with us. It's
Yeah,
not easy with them, with them idea to work with Ethiopian peoples. So we have to create another, another
structure.
idea, yeah, structure, another structure for Ethiopia,
But
and
yeah, so
that thing do not. Uh,
yeah, I'm from actually,
hmm?
brother. I'm from my family is straight from Nigeria, so we still have some of the same culture.
Yeah,
For
yeah,
I don't know which culture. I'm from Igbo. Which culture are you from? Oromo
uh,
or
yeah. My father is Oromo and my mother is Amara.
so?
Yeah. So
Okay,
you can. I am Oromo.
so
Oromo's
yeah,
culture.
we have the same similar. And then Oromo means the people, right?
Yeah, yeah.
In my
The
language,
people.
Oromadu means the people.
Okay, okay.
All the way in
Oh,
West
that.
Oromadu,
Yeah.
and then they have Gada
Gada, yeah, Gada system.
in in Igbo we call it Ogodo, which is the cloth.
Okay,
The cloth that identifies you for your clan,
okay,
and then
okay,
and that's why you got Uganda. It's talking
okay,
Uganda or Amakonda in Congo. Yeah,
okay,
so it's all the same. The clan system of government. So
oh, okay.
we have similar language all across the Nile and Congo and Niger River. So it's people don't study it because of the the education system, but I understand what you
Yeah.
guys are doing a little bit, and even
Yeah.
the Abba system, Abagada.
Okay.
The Arabs call it Abba, father. Over here
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
we call it
Uh-huh.
Oba or Obi.
Oh. Okay. It's just him.
Yeah, the Negus in Somali they call it Ugaz,
Okay.
and
Is that a
the
good
Ugaz in
negus?
Kosi. Yeah, Negus, Ugaz.
Okay. Yeah. The king.
Yeah, the Igweze. We call it over
Okay.
Igweze or Ogiso.
Oh.
It's all similar when you study the language, but they don't teach us that. You don't get
Mm.
yeah. So we understand how we could do it over here in USA, but it's hard. And
Yeah.
with the U.S. government, they're changing the rules every time. And then
Yeah.
some people aren't interested. They want to do it Western style. So I understand. I have my own UNIA, but it's
Okay.
based in Uganda, Nigeria. But if we could get Ethiopia now, maybe we have a regular call and
Yeah. You can. We can.
we have to we're
I'm
trying to
happy.
maybe
Uh,
we schedule it
uh,
weekly and we try to get
yeah.
Nigeria on, we try to get the African Americans on, and
Yeah.
we start to raise fund and get our passport so we could travel.
Yeah.
But one of the things I need is a secretary. Like if you could be the secretary, you could write the papers. I know you have technology background now. If you could write the
Yeah.
paper and we get it,
Okay. Yes. Well.
yeah. So like this,
Yeah.
from here I could record it and I could publish it and I could share. We got Ethiopia UNIA, and people will start to
Yeah.
listen to us. But even over here, you don't know who. Some people might be working for the governments, even if they're from Africa. They want to work for the U.S. government and sabotage everything. They
Okay.
don't want us to trace our roots or create a Gada system over here or
Yeah.
any sort of structure for the family.
Yeah.
So it's hard to organize if you don't use the right structure.
Yes. Yes.
The
Yeah. We
family.
need the
Yeah.
right structure. Ethiopians are not aware of African things. Like Pan African thing. His Imperial Majesty was one of the father of African Union.
hmm
But now, at this time, they are not much aware of African
hmm
issues and such things like that.
hmm
So we have to create more awareness in
I
Ethiopia.
agree. So
And
this is a well. Do you know this is a good conversation because do you know the biggest federations in Africa? The number four, the top four,
me,
the top four federations in Africa, the largest ones. Because Ethiopia is
oh
one.
yeah, Sudan.
No,
Okay, or do you need by order?
yeah, Ethiopia is I think number three.
Okay,
130 million
uh,
people.
okay, yeah, okay. Nigeria also. I don't know the order, but
Nigeria's number two.
okay. And let me guess. I don't know, brother. I don't
Number
know.
four is the new one, the Sahel Alliance in the West.
Okay,
And then the number one is actually the East African Federation, but they're not official yet. 330 million.
okay, okay,
So
okay.
which is right next door to Uganda and South
Yeah,
Sudan. So it's right there next to Ethiopia. So that's
okay.
why you see in the news, if you watch the USA news, they're changing the laws every day, saying Somalia, which is part of East African Federation, and next door to Ethiopia, they're saying they can't come. They're trying to bomb them every other day. So that's what's
Mm,
going on. We have four federations, 700 million people. So
mm,
if we just call them together now, we can say what is the policy to work with UNIA and
mm,
in America, and how does this work in our communities? So it's everything.
mm.
It's been only 3 years since we talked, so a lot changed.
Yeah,
A lot
yeah.
changed.
Those things. Yeah, you're right. Yeah.
So I can actually even post this to the groups. I have one secretary in Nigeria that pays attention, and then I
Okay.
have two organizations for Eastern Nigeria. They're about 70 million people. But we need funds in the USA and the team that can get us to travel and write down our programs and write down our program. But also we need to visit Ethiopia for the Addis Ababa African Union.
Yeah.
African Union.
Oh, wow.
I don't know if you know. I don't know if you know the chairman personally, or have you ever met him, or you have access to African Union. But I know I found their document online. I got their phone number. But
Okay.
sometimes they don't respond, but you could text them and try to influence them. But we got the AU chairman, his documents when he was applying. He got his phone number out there, so we could email them or text them as long as we have a united. Africa.
Yeah.
Those large countries are talking to them, and the African Americans are talking, and Caribbean. If we talk to them, they're gonna talk to us and visit them. And Ethiopia is one of the places we have to visit if we're serious.
Yeah.
So,
yeah. You're right.
Send me your phone number. I can I can send you documents over time. We call ourselves the Uganda Nigeria Imperial Administration.
Okay.
So it's the imperial, the traditional kingdoms and villages. We try to spread our emblems and things to those communities. We try to get the ethnic groups to talk to each other and see how we're similar.
Yeah.
And right now in Sahel, what's going on is the Arabs are being back to terrorize ethnic groups, the Arab tribes, Sudan, Niger, Central African Republic. Even though some of them are black, they're fighting other people for the Arabs. So that's why they got the Sahel Alliance. just straight into Nigeria, Benin, and they're trying to target some of our key kingdoms in West Africa. So it's bad.
Oh.
Yeah, we have Mali Empire.
Yeah.
I don't know. Have you heard of Mali Empire?
No.
Okay.
No.
It was a giant empire in the West Africa.
Like the Timbuktu Empire?
Yeah, that was one of the kingdoms.
Okay.
So Mali is like Oromo. It's 40 million people.
Okay.
From different villages, different clans, but that's why they named their country Mali. It's a giant ethnic group and a giant empire. So sometimes they were fighting each other, sometimes they united, but they're all related. So some of them are supporting uniting. Some of them are just want to be in a small country.
Okay.
So it's good.
Okay.
Ethiopia, man. That's Ethiopia. I was happy to see that you're online and we had this talk. And send me your WhatsApp number.
Okay.
So I can save it.
I'll send you the number.
Right. And I'm gonna try and post this on YouTube and WhatsApp because it doesn't take a lot of people to work together in America to get things started. In Africa, we have governments. We could talk to them and. We have to get our passports and stuff, but in a few years, you see how things could change. So we just got to keep consistent.
Yeah.
We have Ethiopia, Nigeria, Sahel Alliance. That's enough if we get them all talking. So all right, send me your WhatsApp.
Okay, brother. I'll send you.
All right, brother.
All right.